Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is relay. As always, this is why you excuse my handwriting. As always, we line up the letters R, E, L, A, Y. Then let us get the corresponding Morse codes. So we start with R. R is here. Tap, long press, tap. Tap, long press, tap. Then E, it's a single tap. E is a single tap. L is tap, long press, tap, tap. L is tap, long press, tap, tap. A is tap, long press, tap, long press. Then Y is this, long press, tap, long press, long press, long press, tap, long press, long press. Now let us get the phone and we feed in this Morse code. As always, click on the second item from the left, Daily Cipher. Then let us put in this Morse code. We start with R, which is tap, long press, tap. Then A, sorry, E, it's a single tap, excuse me. Then L, tap, long press, tap, tap. Then A, it's tap, long press. Then Y, long press, tap, long press, long press. And the word is relay. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial.